Come on, Joe.
Someone falls. Oh my God.
It's good to go right away. Only lane 2 or 3. Go, Joe. Go, Joe. Don't get those arms up, buddy. Get those arms up. Keep them up. Keep them up. He's looking good.
And on the back straight, that's the Oscar Isaac Moses in this first section.
He's going to move. Out of 4. Go,
Run
Joe.
umbrella.
There he goes. He's in 3rd. Come on. Keep moving. Good run. Good, nice legs. He's in 2nd. Come on, Joe. That's that boy. Come on, Joe. You're doing it. Go, Joe. Come on, Joe. Go, Joe. Go, Joe. Pour it on, Joe. Pour it on. Pour it on, Joe. Pour it on. Come on. Pour it on. Oh, just missed.